Alright, hello everyone. Jeremy here again with Big Fish Aquarium Maintenance and Design. And today we are going to do the unboxing of our Fluval 3.0 plant light. And I'm super excited for this. I'm going to put two of these on this behemoth over here. I'm going to hang them from up above. Let's go ahead and get this baby open. I'm excited. Alright, so gotta cut open the tape that has sealed this guy shut. Looks like we got 3 pieces of tape, and we've got some little tabs here, and then she opens. So this is what we have right out of the gate. Our instruction manual. We'll look at that later. I've actually done a little bit of research on this thing, and I have the app for the Fluval Nano, I think, marine light that I have on the BioCube in my office. Check out Facebook, Big Fish Aquarium Maintenance and Design, 2:30 Central Time, Monday through Friday. We do a live feeding as of right now of that aquarium, so check that out. Also, we do a noon dry food feeding on Twitch, bigfishamd. Shameless plug, go ahead and check those babies out. So that's the first thing, and then really kind of simple, there's not a lot. There's your power adapter, and then the light itself with the cord, and then your actual thing out of here. The actual cord that plugs into the wall plugs into your adapter. And let's go ahead and pull off the little wrapping here. See what we've got. Alright, so they do have these adjustable legs on each side, so it makes it longer than the camera view. Maybe I come back here a little bit. So that you can put it on a bigger tank if you want to. These things are actually, the 2 of them that I bought are just a little bit longer than this tank. This tank is 7 feet long. These babies are about 4 feet long. So there's about a, I figured with the adapter and everything on the edge, there's about a 5-inch or so overlap in the middle. There'll be a 5-inch overlap in the middle when it's hanging up on the tank behind me. So the center is actually going to be probably a little bit bright. I don't know how to do that to fix it any other way, but the nice thing is with the app, these things are super adjustable, and you can actually tone down how much light there is coming out of it. So if it's too bright, I can always just drop it down, and I probably will, especially to start. But I am running CO2, so this plant should be able to grow and handle a lot of heavy light with the CO2 coming into them. At least to start, I'm going to do CO2. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. So nice, you can see the LEDs. If I get up close right there, you can kind of see the LEDs inside there. There's quite a few of them. This is one of the top of the line lights. Price-wise, isn't too bad for something top of the line. I mean, $250 to $280 for one of these. That's really not terrible considering what I've seen other lights going for. So I am excited, and we'll see you next time.